Hello learners, welcome to our channel Leap Ahead. In this video, we will discuss the solutions of medium test on synonym antonym concept. If you haven't already taken the test, then feel free to pause the video and attempt the questions as test and then continue watching for the solutions. The question says, choose the word from the options which is opposite in meaning to the underlined word. In this question, we have to find out the antonym of the word revered in the sentence. His writings have been much revered by Indian scholars. Now, after reading the sentence, we are not able to really guess whether the word is a positive word or a negative word because यहाँ पर revered का मतलब हो सकता है maybe it is very much accepted by the Indian scholars, or maybe not accepted, or maybe appreciated, or maybe disliked, right? So let us now explore the meaning of the word revered. So, revered means something that is admired or cherished. Let us now explore the options. The first option is cherished, which means to be loved. Hence, we know that this is not the answer. The second option is word treasured. It means to be respected. Therefore, this option has been eliminated. The third option is venerated. The word venerated also means to be admired. Therefore, this option is also incorrect and hence eliminated. And the last option is disparage. The word disparage means something to defame or to degrade. So we know that the meaning of the word revered is admired, which is opposite in meaning to the given word in option D, that is disparaged. So we can easily deduce that the correct answer is option D. In this question, we have to find out the antonym of the word servility in the sentence. His servility makes him detestable. So the meaning of the word servility is slavery or bondage. Let us now explore the options. The first option is bravery. The word bravery means boldness. Since we know that the meaning of the word servility is slavery, which is opposite in meaning to the given word in option A, which is bravery. So we can easily deduce that the correct answer is option A. Let us now explore the meaning of the other three options. So the second option is prudence. The word prudent means caution. The third option is insolence. The word insolence means abuse. And the last option is slavery. The word slavery means bondage or enslavement. In this question, we have to find out the antonym of the word nepotism in the sentence. The minister was accused of indulging in nepotism. Now, I'm sure that you really must know the meaning of the word nepotism. It means to be biased towards somebody. Let us now explore the options. The first option is partiality. The word partiality means to be biased or to have affinity towards somebody. Therefore, this option is clearly eliminated. The second option is hatred. The word hatred means to have envy or to have a disliking towards somebody. Therefore, this option is also eliminated. The third option is racial discrimination. So, the word racial discrimination refers to a kind of a discrimination based on somebody's race. So, racial discrimination means racism. Therefore, this option is also eliminated. And the last option is indifference. The word indifference means to be fair or to have impartiality towards somebody. So, since we know that the meaning of the word nepotism is biasness, which is opposite in meaning to the given word in option D, which is indifference, we can easily say that the correct answer is option D. In this question, we have to find out the antonym of the word exonerated in the sentence. He was exonerated of the charge of theft when the women gave evidence in his favor. So, after reading the sentence, we can easily understand that after giving evidence in the person's favor, he was exonerated, which means that he was released, right? So let us now explore the options and get to know their meanings. The first option is absolved. So the word absolved means to be innocent. Therefore, this option is eliminated. The second option is enmity. The word enmity means hatred. Therefore, this option is also eliminated. The third option is discharged. The word discharged means to be released. Therefore, this option is also incorrect and hence eliminated. And the last option is culpable. The word culpable means to be guilty of something. Therefore, this option is the right answer because we can see that the meaning of the word exonerated is to get released, which is opposite in meaning to the given word in option D, which is culpable. So, the correct answer is option D. In this question, we have to find out the antonym of the word fecund in the sentence. He harvested a rich crop from that fecund land. So, the meaning of the word fecund is fertile. Let us now explore the options. The first option is fertile. The word fertile means to be productive and reproducing. Therefore, this option is incorrect and hence eliminated. The second option is obsolete. The word obsolete means something that is ancient or old. Therefore, this option is also eliminated. The third option is barren. The word barren means to be infertile or to be arid. Now we know that the meaning of the word vacant is fertile, which is opposite in meaning to the given word in option C, which is barren. So we can easily deduce that the correct answer is option C. But let us also explore the meaning of the word antique in option D, which means old. Here comes the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Join me for another test in the next video. In the meantime, keep practicing and do not forget to attempt the next test.